And at this moment, let me call Hajia Chiroma, CON, former Minister of Women Affairs, for her comment. This is your day, ma'am. Please, let's welcome her warmly to the microphone. They have been here supporting young because it's a common goal and a common objective. I want the applause to continue. I want it to continue in the spirit of one love, one people, one nation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for today. Honestly, when Her Excellency, my former leader and former minister, Mrs. Anyeni, told me about this meeting, I know, and I told myself that I can't expect anything less from her, because we have been together for years and years, and it seems as if we are twin sisters. We think along the same line, especially when it comes to the issue of Nigerian women. And this issue of value in the theme, for me, is very, very important. And I'm very happy that a lot of the speakers have spoken about that. Nigeria of today, honestly, we need valued leaders. Leaders that can value what Nigeria stands for. As of today, I'm sorry to say that our leaders are valueless. They don't care about Nigeria, because if they do care about Nigeria, the issue of inclusion, women inclusion in the system is very important. It's very, very important, because I kept on telling people that as Nigerian women, there's no country we can call our own but Nigeria. But are we valued? We have women that are very, very intelligent. They are very resourceful. They can deliver. But in Nigeria of today, do we value them? Do we include them in what we are doing in this country? When it comes to election in Nigeria of today, selection is the word. Leaders will just go and select people that they don't have value. And these are the leaders we have of today in Nigeria. Is that what Nigeria needs? Let me tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, just 3 weeks ago, I was abroad. And I entered a taxi to go to the airport in London. And a British man, taxi driver, was telling me that, are you from Nigeria? I said, yes. He said, your country is gone. I said, what do you mean my country is gone? He said, we are going to the airport. Do we have Nigeria Airways? Do you have this? Do you have? So he was telling me a lot of things that is true. But I was angry with him. That why should a British man tell me what is happening in my country? Is that the Nigeria we want? Please, my dear leaders, especially Nigerian women, we need to come together. We should forget about politics. We should forget about religion. We should forget about where we are coming from. And we should come together as Nigerian women and unite and fight for our rights. Because honestly, if you have Nigerian women in positions of leadership in Nigeria of today, what is happening to our country today will not happen. Why? Because we are women. We are passionate. We believe in the progress of our country. We have look at what Okonjo-Iweala is doing for us outside Nigeria. Is she not a Nigerian woman? But if we talk about that, they'll say, oh, she's a woman. Honestly, I'm not surprised that this meeting has come from Igbo women. No other woman cannot do this. But my dear sister, as I said, and as already said by Senator Olujimi, we need to come together. Nigerian women, this kind of conference must be held by Nigerian women, and then we should stand for our rights and insist, because we are not valued. We are not, and we need to be valued. Thank you so much for the invitation, and I wish us all the best. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always be there for us. Help promote Nigerian women. Thank you so much. God bless us.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road.